So some people want to learn how to port AR codes to other versions. I'm going to try my best to explain the process. So I'm going to port an AR code that I made for Pikmin 2 to the another version of Pikmin 2 because I've made it so I know how it works. I'm going to copy paste it into this file. Already done that. Then I'm going to want to have a secondary file just for pasting the new AR code. You'll see soon. Anyways, here we go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to analyze the AR code. You know what? I should probably make a temporary file. Yeah, this will be the full code, and we're going to need another text file. We can make more as we go. We'll see what we need. So anyways, the first thing you're going to want to do is use human intuition by looking at these numbers here. So you can see that this is hashtag section 1, we'll call it. Why not? You're going to want to scroll down. As you can see, all these codes are 4 bytes after each other. That means they're a linear sequence. But then you can see here that the sequence breaks. We can call this section 2. As you can see, these numbers are very different. That means the section breaks here. Section 3. Then you can see that these aren't near each other. Actually, you know what? These bottom parts, they all aren't near each other. So we can sort of just do this. They must all do different things. And yeah. One moment. I'm just realizing that I've actually engineered this code in such a fashion that some places are missing. See this? Code goes here. So now that I think about it, this is a pretty bad example because if you look at this memory address, you can actually see that this goes here. It's just that I've edited the code so that certain parts of it are outside of the chunk. And if you look here, you can see that this goes actually right at the bottom here. No, wait, sorry. This goes... I guess this is a different section. I guess this part's okay. I suppose this is all confusing. Definitely is. But I'm going to try and explain it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go to the first section and analyze the code up in here. See how it's 04? We're going to just want to change that to 80. All 04 is... It's kind of a lie. All the codes basically take place at 80. So we're going to want to scroll down. AB8, yeah. There we go. We're just going to take a picture of this. So now we know exactly what it looks like, all right. Then we're going to want to copy paste some key features, like how about this compare load word immediate R30? Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Then we're just going to want to open up the PAL version of Pikmin 2. Pretty sure this is the PAL demo. Yeah. We're going to want to look at C8, see how it's different. All we got to do is compare to the image. Scroll up and then down. Let's scroll for a while here. Hmm. Not seeing a pattern yet. Okay, let's try scrolling down. Wait. Oh, can you guys see it? I bet you can. Okay, we found it. We found the version of this in PAL. It looks about the same, but we want to double check just to make sure. That looks good to me. Okay, so now we're going to want to take section 1. Oops, gotta get rid of that hashtag comment. We're going to want to copy paste this into ar.text because I've made a Python script to help me with this. Let's look at the difference in the images. So in the original code for USA demo, it starts at AB8. Here it starts at B34. All we have to do is 0xB34 minus 0xAB8. That's 124. I think that's right. 0x3B34, 0xAB8. Okay, we've got it right. So because I've copy pasted into ar.text, this code up here will, I think 124 should be interpretable. And it's now ported the code for part of the code for PAL. Oh no, wait, no, sorry, that's wrong because it's thinking that that's 124 in as an int, not as hex. So let me just try that again. It's not going to be 124. We don't want that. This doesn't matter. We want it to be 0xb b34 minus 0xab8 as an int. That's the right math. No, sorry, that's stupid. All right, now we can run the code 0x7c, and that is also wrong. That is because what the heck did I do wrong? Ooh. Why did I type a 0 there? Okay. And now it's right. There we go. There we go. So we're just going to want to copy paste this. And we're going to make, now we're starting the creation of our new code. How beautiful. Then we're going to want to look at, for the patterns in the other sections. So it's supposed to look like this, correct? Then we just take a picture, and we know that we're looking for this right here, okay? That's good. And we're going to want to go to the PAL version, as we just switched to USA. Let's just find that real quick. We know that we want to scroll down. Yes. See, if you had to scroll down before, you can guess that you want to scroll down again. I am going to guess that the offset here is the same because the offsets don't usually change, but they can, so it's good to check. Let's just copy this into ar.text, so ar.text does its thing for me. I do not want to have to think. So we're just going to type hex, copy that address. Actually, no, wait, what am I thinking? This probably will do the same thing as copying the lower part. Hex minus 80154. 80154. FF0. Okay. That's stupid. Why did I type invalid stuff like a dummy? Actually, no, it is a bit different. Okay, good thing I checked. 0x 8 0x18c. Actually, I could probably just do this. No, I can't. 0x18c. And there we go. If we check here, that is correct. If you were smart, you could also realize that we just need to literally copy the address here and replace 80 with 04, and then we can, we don't want to copy hex, we want to grab the original second part of the AR code and copy that, paste that in there. Okay. Now we just got to do the same process for a few more numbers. However, I don't really care to do that because I'm pretty sure we don't need them, if I recall. I might be wrong. Let's just see if the AR code runs as is. Let's hope this works. Ah, that's right, it doesn't work because alongside E3 mode, we also need demo mode. Let's go and look at that real quick. Too many AR codes. So we can sort of get an idea for what this code is now. Actually, no. We want to disable this. Always disable the code before debugging it, so you make sure it's, it looks right. Or you know what the original code looks like, not what the new code looks like, because that won't be helpful. We're going to want to go to that memory address, take a nice picture. Then we're going to want to compare that to the PAL version. If I was smart, I wouldn't have. We're going to need that memory address back. Probably should have saved it somewhere smarter. Then we're just going to want to scroll down. Gotta scroll down for a while. And aha, we've made a match. We have made a match. See right there. Ta-da. So this is our new address. And if I recall, all this code does is change this to a store word 0 in place of that. So, no, sorry, this is no demo mode. I think it should be, that should be right. No, wait, no, sorry, this should be right. We can always double check. And I think that should be good. Now let's do this. Ah, I guess I was wrong. I wonder what went wrong here. Probably because I entered the wrong code. Ghost figures. Should have Should have just copy-pasted the Gecko code, not try to be fancy. Sorry, AR code, not Gecko code. Don't want to get that misconception. Now it will work. I'm pretty sure. There we go. Oh, yay, it works. Now we're gonna auto load to Perplexing Pool, and we're gonna start out with all these Pikmin, and yay. We've done it, we've ported the AR code. As you can see, it was not too easy. And let's look at the size of Mimi's Gecko code again. For Legend of Zelda Wind Waker multiplayer. Multiplayer right at Metro tier. Yeah, here it is, 2-player code. It's very, very long. So it's basically just what we did, but more. Okay, I hope this somewhat helps understand the process. Goodbye.